too. Love Uncle Jason and Aunt Kate. Should we see what they got for you?
No.
Should we open this? Help me open the present.
No.
Here, look.
Look.
Alex. Here, tear it open, Sebi. Give it to Alex. Look, Sebi.
It's dump truck.
Good night,
Good night.
construction site.
Construction sign. What's
Ooh.
that?
Truck.
Is that like a truck?
That is very cool.
Turn the page. Aye.
Whoa.
Whoa. Truck.
There's lots of trucks, and that looks just like your dump truck,
Yeah.
doesn't it? We'll have to read this maybe tonight, huh?
Whoa. Now let's open this big.
Okay, should we see what's in your big present? Rip like this. Put your trains down, honey. Kind of hard to do with one hand.
These 2 hands, baby.
Whoa. Alex, honey.
Thank you, Sebi.
Mama.
Sebi, look. What is this?
It's for me, I guess.
No, it's for Sebastian. Alex, this is for Sebi, okay? Look, these are special markers that draw with water. That is so cool.
What a clever gift.
Open it.
Alex.
Scissors!
Don't, honey.